hapon mga kababayan, ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Ito po ang Kababayan LA kung saan ngayong hapon nagre-review po tayo ng ating mga nakita, mga binisita, mga kinain at mga natutunan sa South Korea. And if you want to experience all that firsthand, here's how to fly. But before you fly off to Korea or even to the Philippines, there's one decision that you have to make. You have to pick an airline. And of course, we all know that we work so hard in the US, diba? That's why we deserve VIP treatment and we deserve to be treated first class. Buti na lang sa Asiana Airlines, kahit hindi tayo gumastos ng malaki, we still get first class treatment dahil sa kanilang 5-star service. Asiana Airlines Inc. is formerly Seoul Airlines and has its domestic hub at Gimpo International Airport. Its international hub is at Incheon. Asiana is a member of the Star Alliance and offers 516 daily departures throughout Asia, Europe, and North America, operating 14 domestic and 85 international passenger routes, plus 20 cargo routes. In 2010, Asiana was named the airline with the best in-flight service in the world by Global Travelers magazine, which was the 6th honor for Asiana in as many years. Asiana is also rated the best airline in Northern Asia of 2010. Its magic shows, food created by chefs, and other unique services helped it score well with 31,500 experts, passengers, and other voters. Asiana also won the prestigious Airline of the Year award by Skytrax for 2010. Asiana Airlines is one of the 7 airlines to be ranked as a 5-star airline by the independent research consultancy firm Skytrax.
I think Asiana has a lot of unique service. So we have a flying magic service. Our cabin crew can show magic to our customers. And another big service is charming service. It is also awarded from research. There is some kind of a nail art service to your customers. And during the long flight, they can enjoy the mask service. That is very, very moisture to the customers. Our customers can love.
Wow, that's very interesting. I've never heard of that before. An airline offering nail service and mask service. Now, first class, business class, and coach. What are the different services that you offer to each class?
For example, the first and business class, we have also unique service, crew chef and crew sommelier service. We dispatch our cabin crew to the overseas 1 or 2 years, so they can show, after the school, they can show to the flight crew sommelier and crew chef.
But when you do that, when you offer a lot of unique services, does that make Asiana more expensive than the others?
No, actually not. It's the same price.
I think what I like about Asiana also is the flights to the Philippines. So you leave LA usually at night, so you sleep on the plane, you get here, you have time to freshen up before you fly to Manila. How many flights do you have to the Philippines?
I think 2 daily flights from here to Philippines. So after finishing your flight from American flight and refresh up, and they can take our Manila flight from here to Manila.
And you also just not fly to Manila because you also have flights to Clark and to Cebu.
Yeah, sure. We have Clark and Cebu is also.
So why do you think should Filipinos get onto Asiana Airlines?
I think Asiana has unique. We have some kind of a friendly characteristic, especially our cabin crew has a natural tendency to service to the customers, very friendly. So most of customers, whenever they come to the Asiana, they also forever to our customers.
Right.
That is the reason.
Always serving with a smile, and guess what? They have Filipino flight attendants, and we met them earlier.
Based on my conversation with all the Filipino passengers that I've been with in the flight, they've been telling me that Asiana experience is very different, like from other airlines that they've tried before. They told me na Asiana experience is like mafe-feel mo talaga na you're very welcome and that service is very good, food is really good, and the crew, they will really make you feel that you're flying a 5-star airline.
To all the viewers out there, I would recommend that you fly Asiana Airlines. You will have no regrets because we will give you a 5-star service. And come and enjoy Korea because there's so much to see.
It's a long flight, many hours, but Asiana Airlines makes it enjoyable every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? See you in the next flight. Cheers! Tingnan mo nga naman ang power of technology in just 30 minutes. Nako, nakabisita na po tayo sa South Korea. Nakakain na tayo ng horse meat na marami pa tayong natutunan tungkol sa kultura ng ating mga kapatid na South Koreans in Asia. And so this is a personal invitation to all of you. Nothing beats experiencing things firsthand. And so, go to Korea. Marami po kayong matututunan, marami kayong makakain, marami kayong mabibili para dun sa mga mahilig mag-shopping. Yaman din lang po na marami sa inyo ay umuwi sa Pilipinas. Why not stop over Korea just like what we did? This has been Janelle Sawyer, kababayan in Los Angeles. Hanggang sa susunod na paglalamyerda. For now, thank you for joining us and I'll see you next time.